In this video, I'm gonna be showing you 3 different ways to take screenshot without button. The first option is using Siri. So make sure you have activated Siri on your iPhone. Now just say, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot." And this was the first way to take a screenshot. And the second option is using Assistive Touch. So you have to enable Assistive Touch first of all. So go to your iPhone settings. In settings, you have to tap on accessibility. In accessibility settings, tap on touch, tap on Assistive Touch, turn on Assistive Touch. And here is the assistive icon. Now tap on single tap. In here, you have to select screenshot. And now on, whenever you want to take a screenshot, just single tap on the assistive icon. And we can see the screenshot successfully captured. Now let's see the next method. The next method is using back tap. So go to your iPhone settings and scroll down, tap on accessibility. This time scroll down and tap on touch. And here scroll down all the way to the bottom, tap on back tap. Enable back tap, so tap on double tap. And from this list, you have to find out screenshot, select screenshot. Now on to capture screenshot, just double tap on your iPhone backside, that's all. And we can see the screenshot successfully captured. So that's how you can actually capture screenshot without physical button. Thanks for watching.